Namaste everybody, this is Paloma. I'm going to show you a few yoga steps to take care of your mental health. As you all guys know, all of us are undergoing a very challenging time where we are all stressed out, and these yoga postures, if practiced morning as well as in the evening, is going to make you feel much rejuvenated and relaxed. Take a deep breath, suck your stomach in, keep your shoulder muscle relaxed, spine straight, and let's start. The first posture is keep your both arms relaxed. Now with your left arm, grab your right knee. With your right arm, grab your left knee and slowly stretch your neck up towards the ceiling. Suck your stomach in, keep your shoulder muscle relaxed. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and relax. The second posture. Now lift your right hand up, bring your left hand down behind you and try to touch your both the palms together. Stretch up, keep your spine straight, breathing normal and hold it. 10 counts and relax. The last posture, guys. Keep your knees together, grab your elbows nice and tight and hold it and push your head at the back again. Slow. Slowly open your feet. Grab your feet nice and tight and stretch. Stretch your chin down. Relax. Thank you very much everybody for watching me at Care World. Namaste.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.